Hello guys, welcome to the channel. It's Mo and welcome to another video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also share. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can also know when I upload a new video. Alright guys, in today's video guys, you're gonna watch my two girls declutter their own room because I'm not doing it. I don't know what they want from what they don't want, and I don't want to be throwing out their stuff. So they decide they're gonna declutter their own room, declutter their own clothes, and whatever they don't want. And I'm gonna go do my own stuff. So I hope you guys do enjoy this video. Alright guys, I hope you guys do.
Do you want to know?
Sorry guys, this will be part one. This video is gonna be way too long if I try to declutter both girls' dresser. So I'll catch you guys in part 2. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this video now, and I'll catch you guys in part 2. If you enjoyed this video, guys, go ahead. Oh, this is how much we got from girl 1. And this is just a drawer. We haven't decluttered the closet yet, but that will be maybe part 3 of decluttering the girls' room. And yeah, after we declutter the closet, we'll let you see. And that's about it. I'll catch you guys in part 2, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can know each time we upload a new video. Until next time, bye.